Well, I have just come back from my gym, washed my face and thought to make the another part of this series a small grammar rule. Well, in last two parts I taught you how to use ing, and in this video we are going to talk about two words. First is although and second word is though. Well, these two words are called conjunctions in grammar, but let's just learn these two words how to use in spoken English. Well, this video is going to be in English. If you have any problem, you can watch this video with subtitle. You can ask me whatever you do not understand. All right, now let's just start this video without wasting time. Well, here are those two words written, although and though. Well, in a simple way, although is equal to though and though is equal to in spite of. And if I talk about the Hindi of in spite of, it means ke bawajood. This is the first rule of although and though. The second one is although is equal to though is equal to but. This is so common word in spoken and as well as in the grammar. It means per. Well, these are the rules of although and though and Hindi, and I'm damn sure that this video is going to be so clear for you. It is so easy if you watch this video till the end. And one more thing, we will have some examples at the end so that you can also understand these two words with example, but for that you have to watch this video till the end. Well, if I talk about grammar, so these two words are called conjunctions in grammar, right? I already told in the starting of this video, all right? So these two words connect other sentences like this. We have enjoyed the party, although Sameer sir got a fight. It means समीर सर की लड़ाई हो गई थी, उसके बावजूद भी हमने पार्टी को एंजॉय किया. सो ऑल्दो मीन्स के बावजूद. और इफ यू वांट टू यूज दो एट द प्लेस ऑफ ऑल्दो, that will be little different. What is that? That although replaces though, but though comes in the starting of the sentence. Avoid using it in the middle of the sentence. Or now let's just make the example with though. As I earlier mentioned that though comes in the starting of the sentence. The sentence is though Sameer sir got a fight, we have enjoyed the party. It means समीर सर की लड़ाई होने के बावजूद भी हमने पार्टी को एंजॉय किया. सो although is equal to though is equal to in spite of, and the Hindi of it के बावजूद. So whenever you want to speak any sentence in which के बावजूद comes, you can use although as well as though as well as in spite of. But though is more common in spoken English and although is common in the grammar. And it is also common in formal English conversation, right? So although and though are used in this way when we talk about ke bawajood. Now let's just come on that second rule where these two words are having the meaning of but. So here is an example. He is coming to meet me. Suppose you are a girl and a boy is coming to meet you because you and he talked on WhatsApp or Facebook. Let's just have a date, right? So he's coming to meet you. So I asked, what happened? Why you confused? So you said, he's coming to meet me, although I'm not sure whether I should meet him or not, right? It means वो मुझसे मिलने आ रहा है पर मैं sure ही नहीं हूँ I should meet him or not, right? So here although is working as but. You can also use but. He is coming to meet me but I'm not sure. So in this way although and though used at the place of but. Now I'm sure you may have understood this video. You may have understood these two rules, although and though. Or if you really like this video, put the comment in the comment section and share this video with your friends. Bye bye, take care. Wait. Make some examples. Okay, now go.